Hi, in front of me is Samsung Galaxy F54 and today I would like to show you how you can change theme of this device. First of all, you can hold your device's display and click on themes at the bottom. You can also click on them in device's settings. Following that, select themes at the bottom left corner. Click on one of those. Tap on one of those options at the top, like top. Or click on the search bar and type in wherever you want to. When you finished, click on the best theme for you. Select download at the bottom and then hit apply. As you can see, after that, theme of my device has changed. In order to go back to one of your default ones, go into the same themes section. But this time select menu at the bottom right corner and tap on My Stuff at the top. Then click on one of your default themes and select Apply. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!